Not supposed to spin a web in your house. It's like I'm a spider, I make webs. That's what I do. I know that much. Listen to me. They don't know what to do. And because man don't know who he is, they don't know who they are. The lion don't know that the Father did not make lambs for lion food. Which makes me wonder, what did the lions eat before the fall? Hello? Listen to me. The creation waits eagerly for the sons to be revealed. Okay. Is that it? No. What I was, there's a few other places here that I want you to look at. One of them, let's go to Romans 8:19, and maybe I'll close there. I know. We're going to go to Romans 8:1. And we looked at this some time ago, but I think it bears taking another quick look at. It says, therefore, there is no longer any condemnation awaiting those who are in union with the Messiah. Now, the idea of understanding who you are as a son, as a daughter of God, oh, that's where it is. Bear with me just for another moment. There is a place that I wanted to show you, and I hope you're ready for this. I hope you're ready. I'm going to have to go into another program. Y'all looking at me like, brace yourself. If you are, if God is your father, what does that make you? That's the $1 million question. In Psalms, chapter, or the 82nd Psalm, I want to show you something here that the psalmist said. He said, God presides in the great assembly. He gives just judgment among the gods. God presides in the great assembly. He gives judgment among the gods. How long will you defend the unjust and show partiality to the wicked? Who is he talking to? See, God presides in the great assembly. He gives judgment among the gods. This word, sons of God, remember we looked at in Genesis, and it indicated by some that these were great judges and rulers. Do you know that in the new covenant, in 1 Corinthians chapter 5, get the picture that Paul writes. He says, listen, don't you know that you will judge angels? Don't you know that you will judge angels? You mean you and I, the sons of God, the daughters of God, are going to judge angels? Where? In the great assembly. God presides in the great assembly. He gives judgment among the gods. How does he do that? He's saying, look, if you who are gods look to me who is God, I will show you how to render judgment according to my will. So therefore, how long will you defend the unjust and show partiality to the wicked? How long will you defend the cause? He says, defend the cause of the weak and the fatherless. Maintain the rights of the poor and oppressed. Who is he talking to? The gods. Are you telling me that there are other gods? Oh, there it is. I've been racking my brain. The Father showed me something earlier this week, and I made a mistake that I said I would not make. That when the Father shows me something, I'm going to write it down because I don't trust my mind. And the Father began to say to me, he says, what do you think I meant when I said, I am God, and you shall have no other gods before me? You shall have no other gods, for I'm jealous. Who is God jealous over? An idol, which is nothing? No. Jealous over you. I'm a jealous God. Don't mess with my children. Don't touch my prophet. Don't touch my anointed. For I am a jealous God, punishing the children for the iniquity of the father to the third and fourth generation. He said, don't you put no other God before me. What do you mean? What other God? Listen to this. Defend the cause of the weak and fatherless. Maintain the rights of the poor and oppressed. Rescue the weak and needy. Deliver them from the hand of the wicked. They know nothing. They understand nothing. They walk about in darkness. All the foundations of the earth are shaken. I said you are gods. You are all sons of the Most High. If God is your father, what does that make you? Let me tell you something. Oh, this is messing with some minds right now. Listen to me. The Roman kings, the Greek kings, the Babylonian kings, the Egyptian kings had no problem thinking they were gods. Where do you think they got the concept from? What made the lion think he was a king? Lion King? Who told the lion he was king of the jungle? Hello?